Do you often feel bloated, heavy, or uncomfortable after eating? Sometimes your appetite disappears and your stomach always feels full. If yes, you are not alone. This issue is often caused by digestive weakness, where your digestive system loses its natural balance, preventing food from being properly absorbed. As a result, you may experience bloating, gas, poor digestion, loss of appetite, fatigue, and overall discomfort throughout the day. But don't worry, today we are going to share 7 natural and easy remedies that can strengthen your digestive system and restore its balance. First, chew a mixture of onion, radish, and peas juice in the morning and evening. This strengthens your intestines and improves digestion. Second, boil pineapple peels with salt, turmeric, and vinegar and take it. This helps reduce stomach inflammation and improves appetite. Third, mix dates and lotus seeds with vinegar, half a teaspoon in the morning and evening to relieve chronic stomach issues and constipation. Fourth, crush mint, turmeric leaves, ginger, salt, and garlic and take half a teaspoon 3 times a day with water. This helps relieve gas, heaviness, and indigestion. Fifth, mix yogurt with black pepper, salt, and turmeric and take daily. This boosts your digestive power and increases appetite. Sixth, boil fennel leaves with garlic and chili seeds and drink the water. This reduces inflammation and gas quickly. Finally, crush onion, garlic, and ginger and take it with water in the morning and evening. This increases appetite, eliminates gas, and restores stomach balance. These 7 simple and natural remedies can make your digestive system stronger. And remember, a healthy digestive system is the true source of energy. If you have any health issues, comment below and we will make a video about it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our natural health tips and remedies.